Alright guys, and welcome to today's video. So on today's video guys, we are going to be discussing about the Durov's cap airdrop. So a lot of us may have forgotten about this airdrop, but still this is a very good airdrop that requires our attention. But recently they have made a lot of new announcements, and right here guys on this video I'm going to be covering it all, and also I'm going to be showing you guys the latest updates. For example, how to actually complete some tasks to get this NFT, and also how to stake your NFT, and most importantly how to open up the chapter 1, because we just completed the chapter 0 right here. So the first thing that I want to be treating right here is of course how you can be able to get these NFTs right here, which you can stake. All right, so coming over here right now, you can see these are the NFT that I have got so far. Okay, this is it right here. These are the ones that I've got so far, but over here right now we have this one right here. And to be able to get this NFT, all you need to do is simply complete this task right here. It is very simple, and pass like that at all. Okay, so right now let's proceed properly. So when you click over here right now on this one, you can see that it's going to be giving you a list of things right here. For example, you need to launch Boinka game and of course spin 10 times. All right, so once you just launch this mini app right now and of course spin it 10 times, then this task should be completed. So right now let's go ahead and of course talk about how to stake those NFT. Then we talk about how to join the chapter 1 of this Durov's cap airdrop. All right, so you can see we have from chapter 1 till chapter 5 right here, after which we are then going to be talking about the TGE and listing. Okay, so what you need to do from here, simply go ahead and click on this button right here. You click on it, and over here these are the list of your available NFT, and right here guys you can see this is where the staking is, and you need to activate the staking in order for you to actually earn tickets. Remember, the tickets are what is going to be determining your own airdrop allocation. So right here guys, I'm going ahead to stake every single thing right here. You just go ahead and select them. Okay, this one is the one that we are yet to complete. So I've selected this trade that I've done so far. I will click on stake trade item right now, and of course the staking should be activated right now. And of course you can see this is my total staking right now, and of course you can see this is what I'm supposed to earn, 120 tickets, and of course my earning per hour is approximately five tickets. All right, so right now guys, I need to come here and of course claim every 24 hours. So that is the way you accumulate a lot of tickets, which you are going to be using to actually join some campaign right here, which I'm going to be showing you, which is of course the chapters. Okay, so right now going to the chapter right now, let me show you how you can be able to join the chapter totally free. So if you look over here right now, you can see that my balance is quite so small right here, 947. And when I click over here guys on the chapter 1, let me go ahead and of course click on it. Okay, so once you click on it, you are going to be given some things right here. Okay, let me show you something. Let me make it very clear. Okay, so looking over here right now, you can see this is the chapter 1, and of course these are the rewards that are coming with it. The first one is 1 million. Your ticket will be multiplied by 1 million, and of course you are going to be getting access to the raffle 50 times, and of course you are going to be getting the secret reward, chapter gift, and of course some premium packs right here. But to be able to join this, you can join it in either 3 ways. For example, right now, to be able to join it, you can either pay with 500 stars, or you pay with 500 tickets, or in other words, the third option is actually you can pay for 250 star and also pay 250 tickets. In that way it will be very minimal. But on this airdrop, I do not want to invest a dime on it, so I'm going to be going with the totally free option, because already I'm earning some stuff from the NFT that I just staked. All right, so I'm earning 120 every single day, so I'm supposed to actually do this because I know I'm going to recover it later. So I will go with the totally free option, which is buying with 500 tickets. We have now bought it, and this is my balance right now. And of course right here guys, we have the reward for the chapter 2 chapter 1, which we have opened up. So I will click on claim gifts right now, and of course these are my gifts right here. Just give it a little time to open up. Okay, so right now guys, you can see I have been able to claim all the gifts. These are the things that you need to do right now to position very well. So looking over here right now, you can see the whole interface has changed drastically, and when you come over here right now to this center button right here, which is the thunder button, you click on it right now, you can see this is of course where you actually get rewarded for inviting people. So you need to actually invite people and claim some tickets for that. And of course coming over here to friends, this is where you see the number of people you have invited so far, so and your earning for inviting such amount of people. All right, so these are the latest updates right now about the Durov's caps airdrop. And of course, right here you can see this NFT actually comes together with the chapter 2 that we have unlocked, so we can go ahead and of course stake it as well, so that you can earn even a bigger reward. So I will click right now on bubble right now to stake it. So I will go ahead and click on stake item. So this is going to be increasing my earning. Okay, you can see right now I'm going to be earning 168 tickets. All right, and I'm going to be required to come and claim it every single 24 hours. So this is the latest update right now, and of course this is where the ticket that you have earned so far stores. All right, so this is the simple video right now, and I believe you have understood what is going on the Durov cap airdrop right now. So let me know what you think on the comment section, and of course do well to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video that will be dropped very soon.